Alright, so fitting the dart Marlin, 12mm. Just going to undo these little bolts up in here. So we'll take that one out. Another one here. Take that one out. Let's fast forward that. Alright, so I've undone those bolts. This little wire hanger comes down. Now the bracket has to go on first. Now it's tricky, so I'm going to switch off and put the bolt back in a little bit, and I'll switch back on. Alright, so that's it. Alright, we'll do that up. Alright, brackets are pretty much on. Keep them a bit loose so we can put the screen on, and we'll tighten them up. Keen to see how this goes. Alrighty, this is the dart screen. I opted for the tinted version. Looks solid. It comes with a couple of little fixings. Essentially you're going to put this one, then one washer, and then this rubber grommet. Alright. Blah 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 blah. Alright. Fit this over. You can see it's got that groove. I feel like it is meant to sit over, so I'm going to do that. Let's see what happens. Yep, okay, so it's not in the instructions, but you can wedge it so the groove goes in. So if you look here, you got the rubber, and the rubber's on this side. If you actually look at the picture, it fails to really mention that, so it could catch someone out, I guess. Alright, I'm going to pop those four in there. Fit the top. Alright, I'll just pop one in here.